Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk to HubSpot for better customer context, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Zendesk to HubSpot for better customer context, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Next, navigate to the Admin Center, typically found in the lower left corner of the screen. In the Admin Center, look for the Apps and Integrations section in the sidebar menu. Select Marketplace to explore available integrations. In the search bar, type HubSpot to quickly locate the HubSpot integration. Click on the HubSpot integration listing to open its details page. Review the integration features and benefits to ensure it meets your needs. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. You may be prompted to log in to your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials and authorize Zendesk to access your HubSpot data. Once authorized, return to the integration settings in Zendesk. Here, customize your integration settings based on your preferences. You can choose what data to sync between Zendesk and HubSpot, such as contacts, tickets, and more. Set the sync frequency according to how often you want the data to be updated. Make sure to save your settings before exiting the integration page. Now, it's time to test the integration. Create a test ticket in Zendesk and see if the data appears in HubSpot as expected. Check that the customer context is transferred correctly, including any relevant notes or interaction history. If you encounter any issues, return to the integration settings to troubleshoot possible configuration errors. You can also refer to the help documentation for both Zendesk and HubSpot for further assistance. Once everything is working properly, you can enhance your customer support workflow. With Zendesk connected to HubSpot, your team will have better access to customer context. This integration will help streamline communications and improve overall customer experience. You are now ready to leverage the power of both platforms for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.